Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. In a press release sent, a consortium of multilateral development financing partners announced that they have created a comprehensive package of up to US $6.7 billion over 3 years to support Jamaica's recovery and reconstruction efforts, following a request from Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The consortium consists of the Caribbean Development Bank of Latin America and the Caribbean, Inter-American Development Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and the World Bank Group. However, with damages estimated at US $8.8 billion, the country's recovery will require significant resources and long-term investments. Already, there is a comprehensive recovery planning underway, focusing on critical priorities and reinforcing Jamaica's resilience. To this end, the consortium is working closely with the Government of Jamaica and other partners to support this process. As such, a new financial support package of up to US $3.6 billion could be made available to finance the government's recovery and reconstruction program over the next 3 years. The Jamaica Central Security Depository Trustee Services last week convened a town hall meeting attended by note holders, arrangers, and brokers for the bonds to share with them the terms of the proposal negotiated with the Michael Leachin majority-owned companies by the committee. This proposal has been framed in a resolution that will be put before all note holders at an in-person meeting scheduled between December 2 and December 11. The trustee has issued notice of the meetings to all note holders, with brokers assisting with the dissemination of the notices. This development comes as the three companies missed a key November 27 deadline, promoting bondholders to form a negotiation committee led by Sagicor Group Jamaica President Christopher Zaka to represent their interests. The committee has completed negotiations for a new repayment schedule with the companies, which have missed a number of previously set deadlines. For the trading period ending December 1, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 78,094,372 units, or 85.11% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,148,526 units, representing 4.52% of market sales volume. R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 1,385,067 units, representing 1.51% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 1, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.29 million purchased and US $40.56 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.43 per dollar, selling the US at $159.62 and buying the US at $161.05. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.15 per transaction, with selling at $115.08 and buying at $113.93. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.41 in profits, with selling at $211.30 and buying at $212.71. For our credit report tip of the day, when borrowing gets expensive, and banks tighten their standards, small business owners must shift into strategy mode fast. Start by tightening your financials. Clean books, updated tax filings, and strong cash flow statements give lenders zero reasons to hesitate. Strengthen both your business and personal credit so you stand out when approval rates drop. Build multiple banking relationships so you're never dependent on a single institution's policies. Boost cash flow discipline with smarter invoicing, stronger collections, and tighter expense control. Increase liquidity reserves so that you can operate confidently even when credit slows. And stay open to alternative financial options, from angel investors to revenue-based financing, to keep your business expanding while others stall. Most women entrepreneurs, especially minority, immigrant, or low-wealth founders, start their business without legal or financial infrastructure. And we know the goal is to be funded and focused. The mission is to close the gap between entrepreneurship interest and actual economic mobility by making women business owners compliant, bankable, fundable, and growth ready through a measurable incubator. Let me be brutally clear. Most organizations want to support women entrepreneurs, but their programs fail because they focus on motivation, branding, or general business tips instead of the actual barriers that keep women from accessing capital, contracts, and economic mobility. That's where a funding and focused incubator comes in. An incubator is not a class. It is an economic elevation engine that increases women's bankability, strengthens communities, produces measurable key performance indicators, expands supplier diversity pipelines, improves lending outcomes, helps funders hit performance targets, builds long-term economic mobility. And the final outcome? The incubator dramatically increases the number of procurement-ready and bank-ready women-owned businesses. And you know what that means? It reduces the risk of default on loans and improves the quality of businesses in the local ecosystem. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.